Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, for those of you who aren't new, you know we've got a fitness workout that we're going to be doing today. So I've got my resistance band. Sorry if you can hear my dog in the background, he's chewing a toy. But I've got my resistance band here and we're going to do a leg and butt workout. So if you got a resistance band, go ahead and grab it and let's get ready to work out. Alright friends, so I've got the extreme band. You can get these from Five Below. So we're going to do this first exercise, and this one is going to work our outer thigh muscle as well as our glutes. So you're going to go ahead and put the band above your knees. Lean over to the side. Hello, Princeton. And then you're just going to be raising up and down. And you're going to feel that burn the more you have the band at a higher extreme level. And you're gonna do this exercise for 12 reps 3 times. So once you finish off with the left leg on top, you'll switch over and put the right leg on top. All right, and let's switch over. You can just flip on over to the other side. All right, 12 times on this side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you feel the burn, you can take a quick little break and then pick it back up. 7, 8. Keep your core nice and engaged while you're doing this exercise. 9, 10, 11, last one, and 12. All right, so that's the first exercise. Let's get ready for exercise number 2. All right, so for exercise number 2, we're gonna do an out and in jump squat. So we're gonna put the resistance band right under our knees. All right, actually at our ankles, not under our knee. Under our knee, but at our ankles. All right, and we're gonna do the out and in jump squat 12 times for 3 reps, all right? So let's get ready. Stay seated, squat low, legs at a 90-degree angle, and we'll go out and in, out and in. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, last one, and 12. Remember, whenever you're doing this workout, you want to make sure that you do not stop the reps until you finish them through completion. But if you do have to take a break, take a quick pause, and then jump right back into it. So now, let's get ready for exercise number 3. All right, y'all, so for exercise number 3, we're going to do what's called a piston squat. So again, I said piston squat. So I've got Princeton in my arms because he is not about to make noise during this exercise. So what we're gonna do is one leg is gonna be stabilized on the ground while the other will be up, toe pointed up towards the ceiling. And we're gonna squat down and come back up. All right, squat down, come back up. All right, and the goal is to do 8 of these for 3 reps. All right, so that's 2, 3, 4, 5, I know it burns, 6, 7, last one, and 8. All right, then we'll switch over to the other side. All right, so this time left leg is stabilized, right leg will be up. I'll turn this way so you guys can see from the side view. So 1, 2, go as low as you can, that your body will allow. 3, 4, 5, 3 more, 6, 2 more, 7, last one, and 8. Whew. All right, so then you'll finish 2 more reps after that, and then we'll move on to our last exercise, exercise number 4. All right, everyone, so now we're on to exercise number 4. So for exercise number 4, you're gonna raise up on your knees. So squat down, come up, squeeze the butt, tuck in the core. Squat down, squeeze in the butt, tuck in the core. So that's 2. You're gonna complete 12 reps for 3 sets. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last one, and 12. Squeeze, 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 and come back down. All right, everyone, so I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. As a lot of you may know now, I am a soon-to-be mom, so as I go through my journey to motherhood, I will be documenting more workouts for pregnant moms. That way we can still get our workout on too, because that's very important that you're keeping your bodies healthy and in shape for a healthy delivery and a healthy baby. So other than that, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this workout again. Stay tuned for more workouts, beauty, and DIY videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.